Family Dollar there with garbage bags full of items after that store had been broken into. The door was wide open. Just one example of this impact of looting. Walking along Main Street as well today, I saw there was an auto repair shop that had the front window busted in, and a Dollar General not far from West Ferry Street. They also had the front door broken in, and food and other items were thrown around. Camellia's, it was another store that was broken into and had their cash register busted open. The co-owner, Patrick, said there wasn't any money in it, but he's disappointed to see that.